Bad debt recovery, section 41, subsection 4. Now, what happens in these cases is, we had briefly touched upon this earlier. Let's say, for example, there were two people, A and B. A sold some goods to B, right? But B, let's say the sale was worth rupees 100,000. B paid 60,000, but balance 40,000 was not paid by B, right? So from A's perspective, this was a debt which became bad, right? Hence it's called a bad debt. B said that, look, I don't have the money to pay you right now, but maybe if in future I have the money, I will pay this money back to you. So all this, let's say, happened during financial year 11-12. A said, okay, since I can't recover anything from B, I will write off this debt of B in the profit and loss account, and he claimed a deduction. Now subsequently, let's say in financial year 13-14, B comes back and says, hey, I have been doing good in business. I'll pay you 20,000 towards the amount which was earlier not paid to you. Now in this case, what is happening is, A is recovering money against a debt which became bad or was a bad debt. So recovery against bad debt, which is allowed as a deduction. So assuming this 40,000 was allowed as a deduction to A, this amount that he recovers will be taxable as income of PGBP for A, right? If A receives 40,000, the entire 40,000 will be treated as income under the head profits and gains of business and profession, where a deduction has been allowed. So the first condition is that the bad debt should have been allowed as a deduction. If it was not allowed as a deduction, you cannot tax the receipt thereof. In respect of a bad debt, a debt which became bad, and subsequently any amount is recovered on that account. So the assessee has basically received an amount against that account. Such amount recovered against the bad debt shall be deemed to be profits and gains of business and profession of the year when it is recovered. So if you recover it during financial year 13-14, it's taxable in that year. Let's say you had 50% in 13-14 and 50% in 14-15, then it will be taxed in this year, and so on. Right? Let's move on to the next slide.